On folio 21 recto, we see the fifth play of the sword in one hand, which is a disarm where you grip the sword handle and turn. I do the turn in the same direction in the same way as I do the disarms we find at the end of the Zogostrello section. So, Jess comes to strike, I parry, I grab the handle of her sword and I take it away. Again. Quite straightforward. Would you agree?
Yes.
Could you hold on to it?
I'll try.
Move away from the wall a little bit.
So.
Well, you could stop me from getting it out of your hand unless I really twist it,
Yeah.
but then I can persuade you with this to let go, I think. Yeah. Yeah, that's about right.